Alright, I'm going to go over the JavaScript files that are on our site. So, I'll just start by going over how they're pulled in by opening up the index.html file. And let's do it line by line. So, the first one is this plugin called Modernizer. And basically all that does is bring older browsers like IE7, IE8, and IE9 up to standards so that some of the cool HTML5 elements that we're using in CSS, can work. So that's all Modernizer is doing. The next thing is jQuery, and that one's pretty easy. Obviously it's going to be used on pretty much any of the templates or themes you've ever worked with. It's just a library to help you, make all your scripts work. So the first line is actually loading from Google APIs, and the second line is our local copy, and all it's doing is saying, if there's let's say you're working on your local machine, or if whatever happens if Google APIs ever went down, you'll just serve your own jQuery. Basically, this just makes your site a lot quicker by having it hosted by Google APIs. So the next thing is plugins and scripts. And basically plugins are all the jQuery plugin code, and then the script is basically it's pretty much anything that any of the little you're calling the plugin to load on a page. So let's go ahead and just open that up. The plugins, you'll probably not edit this file, but if you did for some reason you wanted to add to it, you'd add to it. Or if you're not using one of these, and you would save almost no space. But if you wanted to remove something that you're not using, like the Twitter or Flickr plugin, you can do so here. The script.js file is the one you're probably going to be editing, and basically all this has is on load do this. So we've got our drop down menus, our Twitter widget, our Flickr widget, and all of these, and then some options for different things like our lightbox is all handled in the script.js file. And in some additional videos I'm going to hit on the Twitter and Flickr feeds and our lightbox. But I just wanted to give you an overview of the few JavaScript files we use, and obviously the less JavaScript files, the faster your site. So that's why there's only a few of those.